So this is to test the common concern about wood playgrounds, that they don't stand vandalism. Okay, first go. Protective equipment here ready to start our playground testing. And what we've got here is we've got traditional steel playground and some plastic. So we're going to be, that's kind of the standard we're testing against. And then we've got robinia, which is what we make most of our playgrounds out of. And then we've got some traditional cedar. We're comparing all these and their robustness against gasoline and fire.
I got a 30-06. We'll be shooting standard 150 grain full metal jacket designed for penetration.
Okay, and then we've got one last piece of equipment. Oh, Ben, that's a. What have you got there, Ben?
Yeah, so we're going to use 1 pound of tannerite, which has the same energy value of 1 stick of dynamite, and we're going to see what it does to all the different materials there.
Okay. So this is shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Okay, you're firing at the plastic, then the steel, then the robinia, then the cedar, right?
Yep.
Okay. Fire away. Okay, so we can see this plastic. It went in the front, through 2 layers and out the back. We'd expect this to go through maybe 30 or 40 of these plastic pieces here. Now the steel, surprisingly, we see the entrance hole here, and out the back here we see a big exit hole. So it went right through 2 plates of steel. And now here we have robinia, so we see a small entry hole here, and then on the other side there's nothing. Okay. Okay, let's go check out the damage. And then more traditional cedar type. We see we actually had to stack 3 up because cedar is much less dense than robinia. So we see a small entrance hole here, and we see it widening out, tearing out, and then out the back we see a big, that's where it blew out the back. Yeah, so now we're ready to start burning things. Marking there. "15 seconds. Yeah, so Ben, you want to explain what we've got set up here?
It's just a pound of the tannerite, and we'll see what it does to all these materials here.
So how are we igniting this, Ben?
It has to be ignited. It gets pre-mixed, so it's stable when it's getting transported. Then we mix it. And once it's set here, it has to be set off by a bullet moving faster than 2,800 feet per second.
Okay.
Oh my!
That's what it did.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay, so there's what's left of the plastic.
Here's another piece.
Okay, is there more? Is that the whole thing?
I think I fall at the top.
Okay, and then we see a bit of shrapnel damage on this, and a little bit of shrapnel damage. This is the softer wood. This is the cedar. Whoa.
Robinia.
And the robinia's just got, it almost looks like it got sanded. So we would just hit that with a grinder in about 30 seconds and take that out. So again, the plastic's
actually, and the steel has been dented beyond.
Oh yeah, even